Hello everybody, it's Oshan here from Trading College, and in this video today I want to talk to you about something a little bit different. We've got a really solid following here on this platform and across all of our socials in general, and instead of showing you some charts today or talking about trading psychology, what I actually want to do is to talk to you a bit about Trading College itself, because I think it's something that we've not really spoken about too much rather than here and there in different videos and in the introductions. But I want to take more of a deep dive into telling you about Trading College, who we are and what we do and what we offer. I'm going to start by talking a little bit about the background of Trading College and how it came to be, who our current coaching staff are and what their backgrounds are, before moving on to telling you more about our educational packages and our trading software, the free courses that we have for people who aren't quite sure yet if trading is for them, and all the other little interesting bits and pieces that we have on offer throughout all of our socials and our website. But before we begin, if you're enjoying our videos here on YouTube, please don't forget to give this video a like and to subscribe to the Trading College YouTube channel. We have a whole host of really valuable videos full of great free content to help improve your trading. And we have a lot of really exciting content planned for the future. If you'd like any more details on Trading College, then head to www.tradingcollege.co.uk. But now let's go back to the video. For anybody who doesn't know, Trading College is an education provider with the aim of teaching anybody who's interested in trading. We have a variety of different educational packages and courses on offer that can be tailored and will suit every individual's needs. It doesn't matter what your current work commitments are or what your experiences is. We have a whole range of packages that you can choose from. But what we really pride ourselves on, as well as our education, is the community that we create around it. That community of like-minded coaches and clients who are all there in our chat room 24/7 and at our in-person teaching days, ready to help each other whenever you need. So the company itself was actually founded back in 2009 by Lee. And Lee was previously a professional footballer for 18 years before he became interested in trading. But when he was trying to learn how to trade, he became increasingly frustrated at the lack of information that there was out there for just ordinary people who want to learn how to trade and make a living from trading. So after a stint in America in the grains pits of the Chicago Board of Trade, Lee came back with a new vigor and an ambition to set up Trading College so that it could make information for learning how to trade accessible to everyone. Trading College has since grown from then, back in 2009, into a fantastic community of traders, and thousands of clients have passed through our different educational courses. And many of them have actually stayed a part of Trading College, even after their courses are finished, to stay a part of the community that we've developed here. And our courses here at Trading College are CPD accredited, which means that the Continuing Professional Development Certification Service has recognized Trading College as having reached their required standards and benchmarks for their accreditation. And all of our coaching staff are all STA qualified, the Society for Technical Analysts, which means that all of our coaches have all qualified with one of the most recognized and respected in industry professional standards in the whole field of technical analysis. So talking of our coaching staff all being STA qualified, perhaps now is a great time to meet them all. So we have 6 members of the coaching staff team. And let's start off with Lee and Raj, 2 of our most senior coaching staff. So Lee obviously founded Trading College, like we spoke about before, and he now has over 20 years of professional trading experience. Lee has his own elite mentorship program and is also in charge of running some of the coaching sessions that we have in our live chat room, like the Swing Trading Scan Club on a Monday evening. Next to Lee is Raj, who's the head of the trading coaches here at Trading College. So he's in charge of managing all of us lot. But also he has a real great passion for swing trading. And he runs a number of different swing trading classes in our live trading room, as well as having a really big passion for coaching, and has taught now many hundreds of mentorship students through his programs. Next, we have Dan and James. And Dan and James, just like myself and Mayan, who you'll see later, we all passed through the Trading College educational programs before we then joined the coaching team. So Dan and James both love day trading. James, along with Mayan, is in charge of our beginners bootcamp sessions, which runs on a 6-week cycle. And I'll take you through the whole list of everything that goes on in the live chat room later on. And finally, we've got Mayan and myself. So again, Mayan and myself also passed through the Trading College educational courses. Mayan was a support coach before me. Now I'm a support coach. So Mayan's role is running the bootcamp sessions and the masterclass sessions, which are our in-depth teaching sessions on a Wednesday evening here at Trading College. So she's in charge of them and also of coaching students one-to-one. And so my role at Trading College is as a support coach. So as well as doing videos like these, I'm also in charge of helping students to sort technical issues and taking our Pro Trader course students through any difficulties that they're having and make sure that they get any extra attention that they need to make the most of their course. Now, our STA qualified and really highly experienced coaches are just one part of many that makes Trading College such a brilliant place to learn. But another big part of why we've become so successful is our range of proprietary trading software. And you can actually see here on the right of the screen that at the London Trader Show Awards 2023, we actually won the award for Best Trading Software Provider, which we are really thrilled and happy about. And to be honest, those of us who are working behind the scenes of Trading College, we're not surprised because we know just how brilliant everything we have on offer is. All of our software has undergone hours and hours of rigorous testing and back testing being put into its design. And it's this software that we teach our clients to use and the software that all of us coaches use in our trading every single day. And across the range of our strategies, the coaches and clients are looking to achieve and regularly achieve a win rate of 60–70% plus with a really good risk reward of over 1 to 2 or more. And the really brilliant thing about every single one of our trading systems and strategies is that they can be used across any time frame at all, making them suitable for day traders, for swing traders, and even investors. So no matter what your trading style is or what sort of commitments you have that you can spend in front of the charts, our software can be used for any style of trading, and we're really, really proud of that. And now I'd just like to give you a bit of a look into a few of our different pieces of trading software. So we're going to go through 3 of them in this video, but in total we have about 8 different strategies that we teach clients to use. So first up, we've got our Pro Trading system, and this is actually our flagship trading software here at Trading College. It's a plug-in trading system, which means that it fits on top of the candlesticks of your current chart. So you can see here on this chart example to the side that what's happened is that rather than just the sort of two-tone, rather bland candlesticks that you usually have on a trading chart, you can see here that we've got variations in the colors. We've got bright greens as well as dark greens and bright reds as well as dark reds. All of these colors mean a slightly different thing that we teach you as part of the educational packages. And as with all of the different types of strategy and software that I'm going to tell you about today, all of our strategies, including the Pro Trading system, all work alongside a trading screener that automatically scans the markets for upcoming trades, which just simplifies trading so much and makes it so easy to understand. And the way that the Pro Trading system works is that it has some unique data inputs that are proprietary to us that give us buy or sell signals based on the candle color and the way that they change. And as well as taking trades just from the candle color changes, the Pro Trading system also gives us the ideal entry levels, stop placements, and profit targets, which if I just move my mouse here on the screen, you can see based on these numbers that are on the chart. So you can see here that this bottom number, that's the place that the Pro Trading system has calculated the ideal stop placement for this trade. Just slightly above, it's slightly obscured by these candlesticks is the ideal entry level. So this is where you'd place your order to enter the trade. And then above that, we have our first, second, and third profit targets. And you can see here that this trade, so it's the New Zealand CAD on the daily, that this trade hit every single one of its PTS profit targets and made over 800 pips profit on this trade. And that's really why the pro trading system is so brilliant, because it couldn't be simpler. Getting into this trade is just based on the color change. Green means buy. Here we go. And you can see here, red means sell. So the pro trading system works in all types of market conditions and whether you're looking to go long or short the market. And again, a brilliant part of the pro trading system is that it gives great results across all timeframes, whether you're day trading or swing trading. It's just so flexible to use. So now that you've seen, I've given you an overview of how the pro trading system works. Let's take a look through some recent results. So these results are taken from the week preceding the time that I'm recording this video. So they're not the most recent results when you're watching this video, but they are at the time of recording. So what we need to know is that the column on the left of this little diagram, this little table that you can see here on the right of the screen, the column on the left shows the name of the market that we're looking at. The next column over shows whether the PTS signal has given a signal for a long or a short trade. And then the column at the far right shows us the profit or loss in terms of the number of pips that were made or lost. So now that we know what we're looking at, let me talk you through a couple of examples. So let's take a look at this US dollar Japanese yen example that you can see here where my mouse is. And we've been really interested in this trade recently. It's been right at the top of our watch list in our live chat room. So we can see from the column that we were looking at this PTS long trade. And the 5.020 over here means that this trade hit its target of 502 pips. So it made 502 pips profit. So to keep things simple, let's say that we used a sort of conservative position size of £10 per point in a spread betting account. So by timesing 10 by the number of pips profit made, so times 10 by 502, that means that having taken that trade with that position, you would have made £5,020 profit just from this one trade. And that's all from just using those entry, stop, and profit target numbers that you could see on the charts in the previous screen. So another trade that we were interested in this week was the pound US dollar, which you can see here. So in this trade, we were looking for a short trade. And again, it hit our target and made a profit of 339 pips. So again, by timing this by a £10 per point position size in the spread bet account, you would have made £3,390 on this trade alone, just from this one entry using those figures like I showed you on the previous screen. So now you can see where I'm going with this with all the rest of this information in the column. So feel free to pause the video here and take a more in-depth look through the rest of the results. If the profit or loss box is green in color, then the trade made a profit. If it's red in color, then the trade made a loss. So when you're looking through these results, you've got to bear in mind that our biggest loss in this week was pound New Zealand, but we only lost 95 pips. So when you compare this to the winning trades we just looked at, that I just showed you, this demonstrates one of the most brilliant aspects of the pro trading system. The way it uses the data and the probabilities means that it tries to keep your stop loss to an absolute minimum. So on this pound New Zealand trade, which was our biggest loser, we only lost 95 pips compared to the between 300 and 500 pips profit on the other trades. So really brilliant risk to reward on these trades, which means that we're going to get some great results overall in terms of pounds profit made. So next up, we've got the trend predictor. And this strategy in software is actually my favorite one at Trading College. And the reason it's my favorite is because it's such a brilliantly simple concept. Using a simple arrow above or below the candle, it tells us whether the price is more likely to go up or down on the next candle. The strategy also has very clear profit targets of the U or the N shape of the next candles. So let's take a look at this snapshot, which happens to be of the NASDAQ on the daily chart. So here we've got our trend predictors. You can see these red arrows above the candlesticks. Now you would have entered the trend predictors somewhere towards the top. The exact way you enter is by going down some time frames and waiting for a trend line break. And if you want to know more about that, we've got some other videos on the YouTube channel that explain that in a lot more detail. And then because we're going short on this trade, because the arrow's red and pointing short, then our target is this N-shaped target of the candlesticks preceding the trend predictor. So really simple. So we would have entered somewhere around here, and our target would have been down at this N shape all the way down here. And because of this clear setup, entry, and profit target, this is also a really fantastic strategy to use for setting and forgetting swing trades. And swing trading, the strategy is brilliant because you can do it alongside a full-time job, because it only has one entry and one profit target. So all you have to do is check the charts once a day or once a week, depending on what time frame you want to trade. And then you can wait for your entry, enter it, put in your stop loss, put in your profit target, and then just leave it and forget about it until it hits one of those. And because of the way we enter trend predictors by going down time frames, another brilliant advantage of these types of signals is that we have a particularly high risk to reward. On average, trend predictors tend to hit profit in the region of 1 to 3 risk to reward. But I've been in many trades myself where I know that the trend predictor has gone further than this, up to 1 to 5 or 1 to 6 risk to reward. And so what that means is that you're risking 1 to make 6. So if you're using a funded account, for example, you might be risking £1,000 to make £6,000. So when you're getting trades like that, it's a no-brainer to use a strategy like this. So as I said a little earlier in the video, we have around 8 total trading systems and strategies that we teach our clients to use, but we're not going to go through each and every one of them in this video. And I want to finish off this section by exploring another one of my favorite indicators, the storyteller. So you can see here to the right of the screen on the screenshot of the chart that I've put up, which happens to be the FTSE 1-hour chart, that the storyteller is the indicator that sits towards the bottom of the screen, the one that you can see with all the histograms down here. And this indicator is all about momentum. So what do I mean by momentum? Well, as a trader, there's no better feeling than when you catch a big move in the market that just seems to keep going and keep going. And that's exactly what the storyteller is all about. It gives us a heads up to when these potential big moves full of momentum are cropping up. And one of the big reasons we love knowing about when these moves are going to crop up is because if we know that we've got momentum on our side, then it means that we can sit in moves for longer and compound and multiply our positions. And that means that we can keep increasing our investments into the trade and so increase our overall profits dramatically. So when using the storyteller, we look for signals called momentum triggers. And momentum triggers are when we get a brand new histogram above or below the 0 line. So you can see here we're mostly green and long. So we're looking for a new long trade and we go below the 0 line. And then when we come back up, this is a new momentum trigger long. The momentum triggers are brilliant because they not only give us an indication that there's a big move to come, they're also a trading signal in their own right. So as soon as we've confirmed a new momentum trigger, we can enter the trade at that market level and watch the price move off into that direction. As you can see here on the FTSE chart, we had our little momentum trigger here. And from this point, we exploded in the upwards direction for a good 8 to 12 histograms in a row. So I hope you found that little introduction into just 3 of our trading systems useful. And now that we've covered that, I want to move on to the next part of the video. I want to take you through the different educational courses that we have on offer at Trading College. And these range from our pro trading course, which we'll go through first, to our mentorship program, which is our elite program. And then we also have a number of free courses available through our website that you can take a look at if you're not sure if trading is for you and you want to explore it a bit further before making a decision to take part in one of our courses. So the Pro Trading System is our flagship and our most popular course here at Trading College. And it involves a combination of online learning, which is through modules and lessons and live online seminars and lectures, combined with quarterly face-to-face classroom sessions, which take place in venues all over the UK, from London to Manchester to Birmingham. We try and make sure that they're evenly spaced out to make them as accessible to as many different clients from all different parts of the country. So we've broken down the course into online modules that are designed to be completely flexible. You can watch them anytime you like, and you can fit them around what else you've got going on. And the reason for that is because we know that a lot of people are very busy. And so we wanted to create a course that could be tailored around whatever your current work or life commitments are. And as well as the online modular sessions, we also have interactive live webinars 5 days a week in our online chat room, which I'll go into more details of exactly what happens on what days a bit later on in the video. And throughout all of these live webinars and the Pro Trading course quarterly days, you have the full support of the whole of our coaching team throughout the whole 12 months of the program. In all of the sessions, you can ask whatever questions you like, and the coaches will always give enough time to get through all of the questions. And as part of the Pro Trading course, it includes all of our core strategies, software and tools that once you have, you get to keep forever with no ongoing fee. So once you've learned how to use them and you finish your course at Trading College, they're yours to keep and to make money from and to trade forever with no ongoing cost to us, which is really brilliant and not something that a lot of trading education providers offer. So for full details on the Pro Trading course and a complete list of what is included, don't forget to head to our website, tradingcollege.co.uk. So the next educational package I want to talk about is our mentorship program. So this is our premium program here at Trading College. And it includes all of the benefits of the Pro Trading program, but with some extra benefits in addition. So these include a uniquely tailored learning curriculum, which is completely and utterly tailored to your individual needs. And this is combined with one-to-one tuition, which you don't get on the Pro Trading course, from one of our qualified trading coaches. And when you join the mentorship program, we'll help you decide which of our coaches is best suited to you, depending on what you think your trading style is going to be and based on your personality profile and things like that. We also have monthly in-person mentorship days, which are usually based in London, but you can stream them online if you're signing up to Trading College from outside the UK. And really brilliantly, just the week before we made this video, we won the Best Mentorship Program Award at the London Trader Show 2023. And having gone through the mentorship program myself, I can exactly see why. The attention that you get one-to-one from your coaches is just such a brilliant, valuable asset, and not something that you get to the same extent with other education providers. You have those sessions that not only will your coach help you tailor your unique trading plan and help you create a plan for the whole of your 12 months on the program so that you can ensure that you've made the most of all the material we've got on offer and be the best trader that you can possibly be. These are also sessions where you can have all of your questions answered and you can spend as much time doing it as you need, which is something that I in particular found really valuable because I always had so many questions about exactly how things worked, what's the best way to backtest, all of that sort of stuff. So in my opinion, I can exactly see why our mentorship program has won that award, and we're all really proud of that here at Trading College. The mentorship program has taught thousands of individuals how to use their wealth to generate an income independent of their careers, and You just have to take a look at all the testimonials that we've gathered on our website. Have a look at them and take a read, and you can see just exactly how valuable a lot of our clients have found our mentorship program. So before we go on to talking about the other types of free courses that we have on offer on Trading College, whilst we've been talking about the pro trading course and the mentorship program, and I mentioned the live chat room, the live trading room. So I just want to take a brief moment just to give you an overview of exactly what we have included in that. And you got to bear with me, the writing's quite small because we offer so much. There's always stuff, always classes and sessions going on in the live trading room. So here we go. So we have sessions every day of the week, Sunday till Thursday. Just Friday and Saturday, we don't have anything because everybody needs a little bit of time off to digest all the information you've been given and to reset and to have some days off, because after all, we're trading because we want free time. So it's important to have a bit of a weekend as well. So let's go through all of the different sessions. So on a Sunday evening, we have a stock swing trading scan club with Raj. And in this session, Raj will go through some upcoming trades, some upcoming markets that he thinks has potential for good trades. And we also go through the suggestions of our students and see what sort of trades they're looking at and giving people advice on whether that is a good trade or not. Monday morning, we have our live chat room with James, where we look through some upcoming day trades. Monday evening, we have a swing trading scan club with Lee, where we look at upcoming swing trades in the Forex and the indices and commodities markets. Tuesday morning, we have our live chat room again with Dan. Tuesday afternoon, I do a tech and software support session, which if people are having problems with their charts or their screeners or indicators, anything like that, they come along to the session and I help sort their issues. On a Tuesday evening, we have a beginner's bootcamp with James and Mayan. So in bootcamp, this runs in a 6-week cycle, and each week we cover a really core, basic concept of trading that's really fundamental to our learning as traders. And James and Mayan, they're just brilliant at doing these classes. These are really valuable sessions for everybody signing up here at Trading College. Wednesday morning, we have a live chat room again, but this time with Lee. Wednesday evening, we have a masterclass with Mayan, and masterclasses are really more complicated topics. That's our chance to really focus in on a particular topic and to investigate it with a bit more depth. Thursday morning, we have our live day trading chat room again with Raj. And Thursday evening, we have our stock swing trading scan club with Raj, where we recap some swing trades from earlier in the week and also look at things coming up for next week. And as if all of that wasn't enough, we're always looking at ways to develop our live trading room. We're continually sending out surveys to students to ask what would they want from the trading room and what sort of things do they see being beneficial going ahead. And so based on that, we're soon going to be introducing some afternoon live chat room sessions where we'll be looking at some upcoming trades for the American market open. So that's something that I'm really looking forward to do because I'll be in charge of one of those sessions and I can't wait for that. So now that we've spoken about everything that we've got on offer in the live trading room, I want to take a bit of a step back and talk about some of the free courses that we have on offer here at Trading College, because like many people, I myself also came to trading completely and utterly new. I knew nothing about trading before I joined Trading College, but one of the things that really convinced me that this was the way forward for me is some of the free content that was available on the Trading College website. And these are courses and packages that we've designed to give people an overview of not only what we have on offer, but what trading is. What's swing trading, what's day trading, what's spread betting, all of these sorts of topics we cover, and these are available on demand at any time through the website. So if you're in any doubt or if you've got any sort of inquisitive side about trading at all, this is a really great place to start. So like I said, these resources are available to anybody who wants to learn more about what we have on offer or more about trading in general before signing up to the Pro Trading course or our mentorship program. So to view any of these that I'm going to talk about, you can head to our website, tradingcollege.co.uk. And so we have 5 free packages of courses currently on offer. So the first one is our Learn to Trade on Demand webinar. So this is available straight from the homepage of the website, and this is Lee's in-depth guide to trading. And it gives you a really good overview of topics such as our different trading systems and strategies, risk management, fitting trading into your lifestyle and schedule, as well as obviously some core topics like how on earth do you make consistent profits in trading. So this is a really great set of videos that give you a brilliant overview of trading and our systems and strategies here at Trading College. We also have our Day Trading 10K Wealth Growth on Demand webinar. So this was a video created by Lee because he set up a day trading academy for our students. And as part of the day trading academy, he set himself a challenge. He wanted to see how much he could grow a £10,000 account in 6 months. And really a testament to his brilliant trading and to the brilliant strategies and systems he's created here at Trading College. He took that £10,000 account to over £100,000 in just 6 months. So in this video, Lee talks about strategies that he used to grow this account and lots of different tips and tricks on day trading. This is a really, really valuable resource for anybody who thinks they're interested in day trading. Now, we also have our Beginners Forex course. And unlike the on-demand webinars, which are videos, this is a modular course. And it does involve some videos as well, but it mainly consists of trading lessons and quizzes to test your knowledge that guide you through the very basics of technical analysis, trading psychology, risk management, and how that applies to the Forex markets, which are really popular markets to trade with our students here at Trading College. And along with the Forex course, we also have a beginner's spread betting course. So this modular course teaches you everything you need to know about all the different types of trading that you can do and what type may suit you best. So from spread betting to traditional stock trading to CFD accounts and funded accounts. So it gives you a great overview of how the very sort of core of how does trading work? How do you make money? And what are the risks that go along with that? Because that's really important to understand as well. So going along with all of them, if you enjoy that more visual reading type of learning, then we also have a free trading guide, which is sort of an all-encompassing guide covering a real big variety of topics from day and swing trading to trading psychology topics like trading with confidence, and also obviously our trading strategies. And this has been created with a lot of care and attention by our Trading College team. So please do feel free to take a look at any of these resources. They're all available at tradingcollege.co.uk. Now, a lot of the stuff that we've just spoken about has been mentioned before in some different videos across all of our different social channels. But now I want to talk about some stuff that is almost completely brand new. And the first thing I want to talk about is Stealth Trader, which is our funded trading account academy that we created here at Trading College. And the reason we've done that is because funded accounts, if you don't know already, they are the next big thing in retail trading. And the reason they're becoming so popular is because they allow retail traders to trade large amounts of money at a fraction of the cost. So, for example, a funded account may cost you $500, but for $500, you gain access to trading a $100,000 account, for example. And Stealth Trader is Trading College's funded account academy, which we believe is a whole lot better than any of the other accounts out there. We're competitively priced in terms of our funded account challenges, and we also offer really great benefits from 75% up to 90% profit share. And as well as that, a really key part of Stealth Trader is that we give you access to a completely free course with videos created by every single one of the Trading College coaching team that guide you through every single different aspect of your funded account journey, from what strategies you should use, what timeframes you should use, and how each of the different coaches achieve their funded account, because every single coach at Trading College is a successful funded account trader, which is not something that I know of that any other funded account academy can say. So that makes us really, really unique in that space. And we're so excited to have launched Stealth Trader. So do take a look at Stealth Trader. If you want any more details, you can access it through the Trading College website, or you can go directly to stealthtrader.co.uk. And whilst we're talking about things that are brand new, I want to talk about one of our upcoming trading retreats. Because after all, flexibility is one of the greatest advantages and one of the main reasons that many people learn to trade. There's nothing better than having a job that you can do literally from anywhere in the world. And that's why trading is becoming so popular, because you don't have to be at home trading. You can be on holiday. You can be sat on the beach with your laptop trading or your phone. You can do it from anywhere. And at any time of day that suits you. That's one of the brilliant reasons that people learn to trade. As a part of that, obviously, we like to give our clients a taste of that lifestyle. And as part of our courses here at Trading College, we have the option of annual trading retreats. Last year, we were in Rome, and this year we're going to Lisbon. And I was on the retreat last year in Rome, and it was just such a brilliant experience. We had full days of lessons and coaching sessions and live trading sessions where we were discussing trades and seeing them win as we were talking about them. It was a really brilliant experience. And then in the evenings, we were going out for really nice meals and going for drinks. And of course, what's better to do in Rome than a bit of sightseeing and drinking a few espressos? So we were doing all of that as well. It was a real brilliant experience, and something, again, that not a lot of trading education providers have on offer. For full details on this particular trading retreat, you can head to this link below, which is tradingcollege.co.uk/Trading Retreat Lisbon 2023 with some hyphens. Take a look at that. We would absolutely love to see you there, and we can't wait for this retreat to Lisbon. It's going to be absolutely brilliant. So we're now coming towards the end of our video, but obviously before we finish, I want to make sure that you know exactly where you can find us and where you can follow us across the different social media channels, and also what we have on offer through our website as well, some really valuable resources. So I'll put up the whole list now of every single different thing that we have on offer. So we've got a really brilliant YouTube channel where every week we're uploading new content of real valuable trading resources that can help you take your trading to the next level. We're regularly posting live trades on Telegram and talking about live trade setups. And of course, we have regular content across Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can see all of the links for all of those different social media channels here. But you should also take a look at our website, because we have a really brilliant section of blogs. Many of these I've written myself. Many have been written by Raj and Mayan. This is an opportunity for us to sort of dive a bit more in depth into particular topics. And this is an aspect of Trading College and of my job that I really love. I love writing these articles. So do take a look at our blogs. But if you're more the sort of person who likes to listen to things on the go, you're commuting to work and you're tired of the same old podcast and you want something a bit new, check out the Trading College podcast. Search for Wham Bam Trading Plan in any of your podcast providers. In fact, on the day that I'm recording this video, I've just recorded another great podcast with Raj on a really, really interesting topic. So we're always getting brilliant comments about our podcast. So do check that out if you get a chance. Now, if you want to get directly in touch with Trading College, here are the different ways you can do so. You can head to our website, tradingcollege.co.uk. And from the website, you can look at our blog. You can view all of the information about all of our trading strategies and software, as well as all the course details of the Pro Trading course and the Mentorship course, as well as all of our free content as well. And from the website, you can also organize a callback from one of our course advisors who would be more than happy to help you discuss which option you think may be best for you, or if you just want to know some more about what we've got on offer. You can contact us directly through WhatsApp. Here's the number to do that. You can drop us an email to info@tradingcollege.co.uk, or you can give our office a call on this number below. So feel free to pause the video here if you want to jot down any of these different options. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I've really enjoyed making this and just giving you a bit more of an in-depth dive into Trading College, the company, who we are, what we do, and what we have on offer that can really help you finally sort of give up the 9-to-5 and take up trading as a career. It can be a life-changing move. So here are the details again. If you want any more information about any of the courses that we have on offer or about our funded account program, Stealth Trader. But until then, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to our Trading College YouTube channel. We have a whole variety of brilliant content that can really take your trading to the next level, as well as a whole host of really exciting content planned for the future. So until then, all the best with your trading, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon.